Hello drone friends, this is Alan at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday morning, happy November. Welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup, a quick look at the top stories in the small unmanned aerial systems industry over the past week. Before I jump in, we need your help. It is time for you to cast your vote. I'm not talking about election season here in the US, though voting is important there as well. I'm talking about our first UAV Coach drone photography contest. We received over 400 very impressive photos, and our panel of judges has narrowed that down to the top 15. We need your help. From those top 15, we need your help deciding our 3 grand prize winners. So check out the link below to see some beautiful drone photographs and to vote for your favorites. Also, one more exciting piece of news, and I have to brag on my team here a little bit. We just hit a huge milestone over at Drone Pilot Ground School. We have officially trained our 50,000th student to become an FAA certified drone pilot. Holy Batman, y'all. When I first started this business 8 years ago, I never would have imagined being part of such a fun and dynamic industry, getting to work with so many interesting people and companies along the way, playing with cutting edge technology, learning a lot about drones. A huge thank you to all of our team members and flight instructors over the years. Mostly thanks to you all for watching, for commenting, for trusting us with your training, and for flying safe and responsibly out there. So a huge milestone, and just wanted to acknowledge that. Thank y'all. Okay, jumping into this week's news. On Wednesday, DJI launched the Mavic 3 Classic. And this new drone is very similar to the Mavic 3, but $500 more affordable. So what exactly are we getting here? The biggest difference between the two models, the original Mavic 3 and this new Mavic 3 Classic, is that the Classic does not have the additional telephoto lens. That's the lens that offers an incredible 28x hybrid zoom. But I suppose DJI's thinking here is that not everyone necessarily needs that level of zoom and extra telephoto lens. And for those of you who want to save $500, that's really the big decision you would be making, because the Mavic 3 Classic has the same 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, the same transmission, the same battery life as the original Mavic 3. The Mavic 3 Classic is priced at just under $1,500. If you have any questions or comments about the differences between the Classic and any of the other Mavic models already available, let us know in the comments below. All right, next up, Skydio announced a series of features and improvements to their app that will be released later this month. One new feature is being able to select your preferred capture type from vertical to horizontal or spherical. Other updates include keyframe improvements and low battery auto return. Skydio has also started their Black Friday sale. So you can now score a Skydio 2 Plus for $899, which is $200 in savings. Lastly, check this video out. An FPV drone followed Remy Mataylor doing some pretty hair-raising mountain biking in British Columbia. The footage was shot by drone pilot Gabriel Kocher on a custom FPV rig with a GoPro Hero 10 mounted on it. Now, mountain biking is incredibly fun, but also pretty dangerous. I would know, I broke my wrist mountain biking about 90 days ago. Both the biking and the drone piloting in this video are unbelievably impressive. There were definitely many moments I was holding my breath watching this. We'll link to the full video below. All right, that's all we have for this week. As always, check out the links below to read or watch more from each story. Show us some love by subscribing to our YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. Comment below, let us know what questions you have or what you thought about this week's news. Have a great weekend, and wishing all of you drone pilots out there blue skies and safe flying.